components and keys required for the disassembling of the inLink fixation lock from the prosthesis are as follows. Your CAD-CAM Simeda prosthesis with inLink lock mounted into its machined housing. The inLink 2-in-1 key. For this disassembly phase, only the end marked out. The gold-coloured ball wrench. Take the prosthesis. Position the gold-coloured ball wrench into the screw channel of the lock to be removed. Hold the ball wrench and completely screw the inLink key out end on the lock. The ball wrench can be removed. Hold the prosthesis. While pulling, turn the inLink key in the direction indicated on the sketch. The lock and its ring come out of the prosthesis screwed to the key. Unscrew the lock from the key using the ball wrench. The lock and the ring are now disassembled from the prosthesis.